So guys, in our last lecture we have seen type of operator for checking the types of the variables. So type of has some limitations. It can only check the type of basic data types. If we want to check the type of custom data type, we need to use instance of operator. Custom data types means classes, interfaces. So let me comment this. So this is how you comment in TypeScript, multi-level comments. And if you want to comment a single statement, you use these symbols. I have defined the classes already just to speed up the process. And here we are defining a class having just a brand as a member. We are creating an instance of car, and this is of the brand is Kia. So now if you want to check the type of this newly created instance, so how we can do that? Here the type of operator won't work. If you say type of car equals to car, it won't, because it's not a basic type. So here we need to use instance of operator, instance of car, instance of the class car. So this is how you do a type checking for objects for custom type. And then do a console log, and here I have used string interpolation. So we will just print a brand name of the car and with our message. So let's compile this, let's run this, and we got Kia is a car brand. Similarly, let's try to write one more class for bike. We'll keep everything as same. Let's try to create another instance of bike. Let's say Honda for the brand name, and then if we check, let me include one more type checking here. We'll check bike. We'll check if bike is instance of car or not, right? And also we will check if bike is an instance of bike. So in this case we should get this message, because this will be true for bike object, this will be false. We won't get this message. And here is a bike brand. Let's compile this. Let's run this now. And here we got Kia is a car brand and Honda is a bike brand. So that's how type checking is done for the custom type.